Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we learned about materials procurement, meaning and procedure for procurement of materials. So in today's class, we are going to learn about documents involved in procurement of materials. Means what are the documents we need to prepare in procurement of materials. Let's start. The following are the documents involved in procurement of materials. In that first one is bill of material, means BOM. What does it mean? It means it is a general list of raw materials, components and instructions. They are required to construct, manufacture or repair a goods and services. It means it is nothing but it is a detailed list of all the materials, components and sub-assemblies that are required to manufacture a finished product. Okay, that is bill of materials. Clear? Suppose you are manufacturing a wooden table. Okay, the bill of material that would include 4 wooden legs and one table top, screws and nails and wood polish and glue. Here each item it will have a quantity, part number and sometimes cost. Clear? So here see here it usually appears in a hierarchical format. It means what? With the highest level displaying the finished product and the bottom level showing individual components and materials. What they are saying here, with the highest level displaying the finished product means name of the finished product, and the bottom level showing the individual components and materials. Here again I will take the same example. See, level 0, that is finished product. For example, wooden table. And level 1 that is tabletop, legs and screws. Level 2, wood plank for tabletop, wood blocks for legs, etc. This is the hierarchical format. It means what? See, at the top level of the bill of material, you will see the finished product. That is wooden table, right? And below that are the sub-assemblies or major components like the tabletop, legs and screws. Clear? And at the lowest level means bottom level, you will find individual materials or parts such as wooden planks, screws, glue and polish. Clear? That only here it usually appears in a hierarchical format with the highest level displaying the finished product and the bottom level showing the individual components and materials. Clear? This is the meaning of it appears in a hierarchical format, means at the highest level that displays the finished product, that is wooden table, and bottom level showing individual components and materials, that is for table top, wood plank and wood blocks for legs. Clear? And see here there are different types of bill of materials. Clear? Depending on the industry, like engineering bill of material and manufacturing bill of material and service bill of material, but the purpose is always the same. What is the purpose? To ensure the right materials are available for production in the right quantity. So purpose is same, but there are different types of bill of materials. Clear? So bill of material, it means what? It is a detailed list of all the materials, components and sub-assemblies that are required to manufacture a finished product. Clear? That is bill of material. Now see the next document, that is material requisition note. Material requisition note. Clear? See here, material requisition note. It means what? It is an internal document used to request materials from the store or warehouse. See, it is an internal document that is used to request the materials. Means we are requesting the materials from where? From the store or a warehouse. So this document that is usually raised by whom? By the production department or maintenance department or any internal unit that needs the materials for what? To carry out the work. Clear? Here this material requisition note, it specifies the type, quantity and purpose of the materials required, the type of materials and how much quantity and purpose, why we need the materials. So this material requisition note must specifies the type, quantity and purpose of the materials required. Here let's say the production department, it needs 20 kg of steel rods and 2 liters of welding gas. Here they will fill out a material requisition note and send it to the stores department to issue those items. Here see, for example, production department, clear? Production department, they needs 20 kg of steel rod and what they need, 2 liters of welding gas, 2 liters of, I will write down WG, that is welding gas. Now what they have to do, they have to file material requisition note and send it to the stores department, send it to the store department, send it to the store or warehouse, to the department to issue these items, that is 20 kg of steel rod and 2 liters of welding gas. Clear? This is the material requisition note, means it is an internal document that is used to request materials from the store or warehouse. Clear? Next we will see the third one. Third one is purchase requisition note. It means what? Here purchase requisition note, it means it is a document known as purchase requisition, is commonly used as a formal request to the purchasing department to order certain materials. Clear? Means it is a document that is used as a formal request. To whom? To the purchasing department. For what? To order certain materials. If we want to order certain materials, we have to send the purchase requisition note to the purchasing department. Here the purchase requisition, that is usually prepared in duplicate. Always we have to keep 2 copies of purchase requisition. Here the original that will be sent to the purchase department. The original purchase requisition note that we must send to the purchasing department. Clear? And the duplicate that will be kept as a record by the storekeeper for recording purpose. That is duplicate one. And original we need to send to the purchasing department. Here purchase requisition note means what? It is a formal request that is sent to the purchasing department to order certain materials. Clear? So it contains the following details. Now purchase requisition note, it contains the following details. They are, first one is number and date of requisition. Number and date of requisition. Number means here a unique serial number that is assigned to each requisition. Unique serial number, it helps in tracking and referencing and auditing the request. It's like the serial number, it's like purchase requisition note means PRN 2025, that is year, and 045. Here PRN means purchase requisition note. This is the year and this is the serial number. Clear? So it is a unique serial number that is assigned to each requisition. And date of requisition means date on which the requisition is raised. On which date the requisition is raised. Clear? So first, number and date of requisition. Purchase requisition note contains number and date of requisition. And second one, it is name of the department issuing it. Name of the department issuing it means it identifies which department is requesting the materials or service. Which departments, like production department or maintenance department, which department? So name of the department is showing it. We have to write down the name of the department, like whether production department or maintenance department. Clear? Next, third one is description of materials. Means it provides detailed information about the items requested for purchase. These materials we need to purchase, that is description of materials. And fourth one is signature of the person initiating the purchase. Signature of the person initiating the purchase means it confirms that the request that has been made by an authorized individual and serves as a record of responsibility. Means signature of the person initiating the purchase means it confirms that the request it should be made by an authorized individual. Clear? Next, last one, that is signature of the authorizing executive. Signature of the authorizing executive means it confirms that the requisition it has been reviewed and approved by a higher authority, like a management level. Okay, we need management approval before giving the or issuing the purchase requisition note. Okay, before that is forwarded to the purchase department. Okay, that is signature of the authorizing executive means before forwarded to the purchase department, we need approval of the higher authority, like management approval. Clear? So purchase requisition note, it contains the following details. They are number and date of requisition, name of the department issuing it, description of materials, signature of the person initiating the purchase, signature of the authorizing executive. Clear? So what are the documents involved in procurement of materials? In that, first one is bill of material, and second one is material requisition note, and third one is purchase requisition note, and next fourth one, that is purchase order. Clear? Fourth one is purchase order. It means what? Here, see here, purchase order, 1 minute. Purchase order, it means what? Here, a purchase order, it is an order to a supplier. Purchase order to whom? To a supplier by the buyer. Clear? It is an order to a supplier by buyer for specified materials. So purchase order that is issued by the buyer to supplier for specified materials. Specified materials means what? It may be goods or services, means the exact items or services that are clearly described and listed in a purchase order, means exact items. Specified materials means exact items or services. Clear? It may be defined as a written authorization to the suppliers to supply specified quantity and quality of materials at a stipulated time and in accordance with the terms and conditions mentioned therein. It means what? Here the buyer, he will send a purchase order to the supplier for specified materials, and he will mention there the specified quantity and quality of materials and time that is required to supply the materials and in accordance with the terms and conditions mentioned therein. This is what? Purchase order. Specified materials means exact items or services. Clear? That are clearly described and listed in a purchase order. Clear? This is purchase. This is about purchase order. Next one, fifth one, that is goods received note. Goods received note. At the last one is goods received note. It means what? In a large concern, there may be a separate receiving and inspection department. So in large organizations, there will be a separate receiving and inspection department, right? So what are the duties of this department, that is receiving and inspection department? this department, it performs the functions of receiving the materials. So this department, the main duty of this department, receiving and inspection department, is receiving the materials. And what they will do after that, they will check the quantities, quality and the condition of the materials. They will see whether the material they have received from the suppliers, whether they are damaged. Clear? And after the materials have been checked and tested, after all the duties, means after the materials have been checked and tested, the receiving clerk will prepare a document known as goods received note. After the materials have been checked, if they are satisfied, the materials they are in correct quantity and they are in good condition. After that, the receiving clerk, he will prepare the document that is known as goods received note. Clear? So it is nothing but it is a document that is used by a business to confirm that goods ordered have been delivered correctly and in good condition by the supplier. Delivered correctly and in correct quantity and in good condition by the supplier. Then the receiving clerk, he will prepare a document that is known as goods received note. Clear? This is about goods received note. So these are the documents involved in procurement of materials. They are bill of materials, and second one is material requisition note, and third one is purchase requisition note, and fourth one is purchase order for specified materials and goods received note for confirmation that we have received the goods in a proper condition and in a correct quantity, quality. Clear? This is about the documents that are involved in procurement of material. I hope this concept is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. And if you want note of this concept, please comment, and I will upload in my Telegram channel, and I will provide the link in the description box. Clear? Thank you.